Elite Structural Aluminum Certification through Mercedes-Benz is a new certification. We just did a 231 SL right rear quarter repair, replaced outer wheelhouse, hinge support, and inner quarter panel. The whole repair process with aluminum is a completely different approach. Steel repairs, there's a lot of grinding and welding. With aluminum, there's much more riveting and bonding, which takes special tools and equipment and training. Once you start in to put the car together, you have to have everything pre-fitted and know that it's going to go together because you don't get a second chance. With steel, you can bend things around or you can cut them loose and re-weld them. You can't do that when you glue and rivet. Once you do that, it's there. It's not being moved. We have an aluminum repair room that is 16 by 30 feet. It's all enclosed. It has an explosion-proof fan in it. In that room is stored all the aluminum repair equipment so it can't get contamination from any of the steel repairs. So there's a whole different set of sanders, air tools, wrenches, everything. Anything that touches steel cannot touch aluminum. Auto Collision Specialists is the only structural aluminum certified shop in the Baltimore area. All of these tools are very specialized and expensive, and most shops are not equipped with them. Again, I'm always looking for a way to make Auto Collision Specialists different from everyone else. It benefits my customer and it benefits me, because if you're looking for the Mercedes certified shop, then I'm your choice.